Earning passive income with cryptocurrency has become popular as crypto technology and finance options expand. Here are some of the top methods. 1. Staking. Many blockchains like Ethereum, after ETH 2.0, Cardano, and Solana use a proof of stake (POS) model. By staking or locking up your crypto in a network, you help validate transactions and secure the blockchain. Annual returns often range between 5–20%, depending on the network and token. 2. Yield farming and liquidity mining. By depositing cryptocurrency into decentralized finance, DeFi platforms like Uniswap or Compound, users earn returns by providing liquidity for transactions or lending services. Rates can vary widely, with some platforms offering high yields but with greater risk and volatility. 3. Crypto savings accounts. Centralized exchanges like BlockFi, Nexo, and Binance offer interest on crypto deposits, similar to traditional savings accounts. Depositing coins can earn returns over time, generally 4–12%, depending on the platform and type of cryptocurrency. 4. Lending, peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending platforms allow users to lend crypto to borrowers in exchange for interest. Platforms like Aave and Celsius facilitate these transactions, which typically involve smart contracts. Rates are often 5–15%, varying by coin and loan duration. 5. Running a masternode. Certain networks like Dash or Zcoin offer rewards for operating a masternode, a server that helps verify transactions. Requires a large initial investment, but returns can reach 5–20% per year. Each method has its own risk profile, so it's crucial to research and consider your risk tolerance before investing.